Hello, everybody. My name is Kyle Onchain. I am a content creator who has developed kind of a knack for like discovering cryptocurrencies and participating in the crypto space. I've been in the crypto space for about a year now. I'm My name's Kyle, of course, and I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I started building a TikTok channel, and it seemed to go really well. I like talking about crypto a lot, and it just seems natural for any content creator's growth to kind of just progress over to YouTube. So today, I'm going to be doing my introductory video for my YouTube channel that I'm going to be creating, Kyle Onchain, and I want to go over cryptocurrency things with you guys today. So to start with, we'll go ahead and start off with the state of the market with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin sitting at 42,000. Let me actually refresh just to make sure nothing has changed. $42,236. It's staying under that $43,000 mark. It keeps wanting to stay between 41 and 43,000, and it's just kind of going sideways right there. The same with Ethereum, staying between that $3,100 to $33,000 range as well. Cardano is now in top 5 cryptocurrencies in the market, and I think that's very awesome. I was very not bullish on Cardano for a while, but as time progresses, I am finding myself to be more and more bullish on Cardano. I think it's going to perform really well. I believe Sunday Swap is coming out very soon, and that will bring a lot of benefit to Cardano holders with locking value on the Cardano ecosystem. So I'm interested to see what Cardano is going to do with that. And yeah, so Solana is sitting at $1.39. I personally don't like Solana. It keeps crashing, and the more and more I look into it, it seems like it is more centralized. And yeah, so that's kind of like what the state of the market is looking at. I do want to try to check out like who our biggest losers are today. I need to double check to see how to do that on the desktop site versus the app. Just a second here. 24-hour biggest losers. Um, BTT is down a lot. Wow, that's kind of wild. Bunch of crap coins on here, to be honest. Yeah, maybe this isn't the best option for me here to try to see with that. Look at the 24-hour gains here. Chickenzilla, man. Some of these crap coins that they stay pushing, it's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. But anyways, let's go ahead and discuss the dominance aspect of things. If you scroll down here, Bitcoin has the highest dominance, of course. Ethereum coming in second. BNB coming in third. Then Tether. Then Cardano. And you have Solana, XRP, Terra, Polkadot, and then you got everything else. Both Bitcoin is under 40% market dominance, and Ethereum is under 20% market dominance, which is quite interesting. They tend to stay above those marks or right at them, so it's very interesting to see the two biggest players in this space be under their normal dominance range. Now, let's go ahead and pop over to Crypto Bubbles. I like this website because it gives you a nice visual on the market. So for the day, we've got a lot of red, except we've got Cardano that's in a little bit of green, and this coin called Alt that's in a little bit of green. I've never heard of this coin before, but I might have to check it out and see what it's about. But everything else is in red. Everything has been in red for the past couple of weeks. That's nothing really too new. So if you are looking to accumulate right now is definitely a good time to do so. There are a couple of things I'm in the process of accumulating: Chainlink, Algorand, and I'm going to be accumulating some Polkadot really soon. Polkadot is great, and I believe Polkadot will go to $100. Not financial advice, of course, but I think long-term Polkadot will perform very well. I've also been picking up some Kadena lately because it's a great proof of work layer one. Hopping over here to CryptoPanic, which is kind of like a news aggregator site for everything crypto related. Let me refresh because I had this loaded for a little bit. Olympus DAO sheds 30% of triggered by 30% triggered by whale sell-off. So a lot of these DAOs and these ohm forks are not performing very well, and I personally never presented myself into doing any of them. They were just kind of it seemed very convoluted, and I didn't really feel very comfortable with it. Aside from that, we're getting a lot of traction here with this news. Ripple and XRP are giving the SEC the hardest time in court ever. If you click on this, it discusses how, according to the top person at the U.S. Blockchain Association, Ripple is fighting the SEC to the death, unlike other people who have been in trouble with the SEC in the past, where they just take a safe deal just to get over with it. Like, Ripple is legitimately fighting the SEC for this. I personally like Ripple and XRP as a company. I think they're going to have their place in the space for sure. I do not currently hold any XRP, just due to its price action and its current state. But I'm with the XRP army. I side with them, and I think that XRP will perform great. I do not think XRP is going to go over $30 in its lifetime. I just simply don't. I'd love to be proven wrong, but I do not believe that it will. All right, and let's see what else do we have here. Cardano does hit its 3-week high amid flurry of activity. This is probably due to Sunday Swap. You know, their DEX protocol that's coming out. That's going to be a DeFi protocol that's on top of the Cardano blockchain. It's launching in the next couple of days, so there's probably a lot of people that are ramping up their positions on Cardano, and there's going to be a lot of TVL locked in Cardano once Sunday Swap does launch, which means that it's going to raise the price of Cardano. I should probably accumulate some Cardano. I don't have any, but we'll see what happens. And last thing we'll discuss, the Central Bank of Malaysia is testing efficiency on CBDCs. If you don't know what CBDC is, that's an acronym for Central Bank Digital Currency. Think of it as kind of like a government-regulated stablecoin for your respective country's currency. The Malaysian Negara is recently replied to a query from Bloomberg, my apologies, about testing a central bank digital currency. BNM is studying the usefulness of creating and employing a cryptocurrency for the nation. So CBDCs are cryptocurrencies, but think of them as like very much so like it's government blockchain regulated digital currency. So like it would be like how if USDC was regulated by the government, for example, but for whatever respective country that you have. This is actually a kind of interesting. JPM executive says that crypto is currently in its Napster age. Now, for some of you, might not know what Napster is, but Napster was like the OG online music platform. Obviously, it's not around anymore. It definitely got swiped up and bought out. And you know, things just develop as time progresses. So what this is basically saying is JP Morgan executive says that crypto is in a Napster age, which means like the space is still very early, you guys. Like if you invest in like good projects that are going to perform well long term, obviously you always want to make sure you're staying on top of things with information as new things come develop. There's always new technology in the works, especially in this space, because the space is rapidly developing and it's also being very rapidly adopted. So you can expect a lot of opportunity in this space even today. Like even in the next couple of years, like there's going to be things in the cryptocurrency space with blockchain technology or hashgraph technology that are going to still make you a lot of money, because there could be a company or protocol that exists right now that's creating a blockchain tech that doesn't even exist yet. Like they don't even exist yet, but they could be the next Facebook, they could be the next Google, they could be the next Tesla. And if you think about it in terms of stocks or things like that. By the way, I don't participate in the stock market at all. I am strictly crypto with my investments, and yeah. So that's going to be it for everything I've got going on with Crypto Panic. Last thing I do want to discuss with you guys, something I want to try to do in every one of my daily videos, is have a spotlight for a specific currency. Today that's going to be Router Protocol. I actually discovered Router Protocol about 2 weeks ago when it was sitting at about $2.09. I did a lot of research on it. It's Coinbase Ventures invested. I like this project a lot. It has really great tokenomics and great use case for it. It's a DEX liquidity aggregator. So it aggregates liquidity from multiple blockchains. Some that are already partnered with it are Terra Luna, Algorand, Avalanche. I don't think Solana's on it. OKX chain, which is from the OK exchange. And Chainlink is also partnered with them. So they obviously have a great deal of partnerships with interoperability. As you can see right here, they spiked up and did a 3x, and now it's correcting a little bit. Fortunately, it still had not hit half of its all-time high, which was back in April of 2021 at $19. So it's still a very low market cap. It's at about a $65 million market cap, which is classifies it kind of as a micro cap. So you still have a good opportunity to probably purchase some and to, you know, get some good gains out of it. I wouldn't buy any right now. I'd wait till it trades sideways a little bit more, or if it dips more, because that is a huge spike. And I unfortunately wanted to do more research into this before I bought some, so I did miss this. But I did put it on the map and tell some people about it on my TikTok when it was around $2.90. So bummer I didn't buy any and get those gains, but at least I know I'm looking at the right things, you know. And as far as where you can get it at, you can find it on KuCoin, Gate.io, and if you like to use Uniswap, you can also use Uniswap as well. So as far as that goes, guys, I think that's going to be everything for this video today. I'm very new to this space. This is my first time I've ever done a YouTube video of this nature. I do hope that you guys enjoy my content. I am gonna obviously be working on finding my niche and like developing my content to where it's much more appreciative. The walls behind me are very barren right now, so it's not really a great view to look at, unfortunately. But I do plan on working on that moving forward. So uh, please, I appreciate everyone who subscribes to my channel and checks me out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.